faces.
No.
And she really needs her adjustment. She's out on this side.
She does like it.
We got a little bit over here. Yay. And down here. Is that ticklish?
Huh?
Does it tickle?